shut down. So I put it inside to charge. There we go. I have some leftover aluminum I can make those front pieces for. Make those a little longer out of metal. And I want to make that about another 6 to 9 inches longer, so it'll go further across the boat. But there she is. I installed lights in the front for the switch box I just showed you in another video. I'll show you how. There's the nav lights, red and green. One of these boxes holds this guy. One of these is lights, one of these is navigation, the other one I haven't decided what to do yet. And a voltmeter to tell me what's going on at all times. And it's fused, going directly to the battery cables. Here's all the scrap I had from my $40 piece. Some of the stuff I'm going to use to make that longer. It looks pretty good.